All right, here we are. It is the brood chamber, July 22nd. Things are looking really good. The honey supers, got space, got drawn comb above. We got room. Things look really good. I'm excited. So I'm gonna take a look in here. I'm not doing any more splits unless I absolutely have to. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a peek, and if I need to kind of knock them back, then I'm gonna give some of my weaker colonies a couple frames, maybe a frame or two, a brood. Kind of kick them back a little bit. And I'm gonna look at the weather. I haven't done a mite check count on this hive yet. The other ones are kind of on the fence. So I've been doing a lot of splits, which I know helps. So we'll see. But like I said, I didn't say it in this video, but I don't do my mite counts on camera anymore. I just don't want to. Some people don't believe in it, and I don't want to argue. I'd rather talk about bees. But anyways, swarm cup, just a cup, ladies. So we got an emerged brood, pretty much open down here. Nothing to see there. This is all emerging brood. So she is not, oh no, never mind, that's larva right there, very young larva. And a couple eggs in the top. All right, I do not see her, I'm sorry, I was looking for swarm cups. Anyways, yeah, I'm thinking probably I like to level them out, all my colonies here. Kind of get them all, everybody on the same page. And oh yeah, are you kidding me? Look at that. Another swarm. Is that a cup, ladies? Look at the brood on that side. Nothing to see here, just a cup, I know. But yeah, I'm thinking I don't want to do any more splits. I got enough going as it is. I think my last count, I think I'm at 29 with, I think I have another 12. 12 more. I'm waiting for queens to come back in. I just did a big round of splits, so I got to look at the calendar. But anyways, I got a lot going on. And I'm not looking, I think I'm out of equipment actually. But I'm going to try to level everybody out. That's some cups. Right, ladies? Just cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we got here. Just cups. Just cups. All right, so they don't feel like they need to swarm. That's good. Don't forget that one. Nothing in that one either. All right, nothing to see, ladies. It is hot today. So things look good. They're doing very good. I'm impressed. There must be something coming in, and I honestly don't even know what it is right now. I know at my house there's this crazy vining plant that's all over the place, and it has these little white flowers on it, and they are going nuts at my house. But I don't think there's any here. So anyways, once again, beautiful frame of brood. No queen. No queen, no queen. Swarm cells? No swarm cells. All right. We're moving on, ladies. Look good. Uh-oh, that one didn't make you happy. All right, okay, let's just, I'll try not to smoke too much. I think it's so warm. Actually, I think it's early too. It's like 3 o'clock. So I might have got them at a good time. All right, so this is a frame I gave them when I made my last split with them, and they're not doing anything with it, and I'm not surprised. So it stays right there. All right, girls. All right. Hopefully the fall flow will come in, and they'll draw that out. There she is right there. So the fall flow will come in. Let me just, whoa. There's a big ball of bees on the bottom. I didn't want to drop them. All right, you guys are gonna have to work with me on this one. Where is she? So I can't see in the sun. Where did she go? She's way over here. All right. Way, I can't see in the sun. Anyways, has anybody seen my queen before? She looks good. She's right here. And she's got a very small rim left of a green dot. And I don't see anything. Nice, girls. Nicely done. We are still getting it done. So they got some work to do. They got to do some drawing. At least one frame. And I'm not concerned yet. Because like I said, we have a fall run. I think this one here, no, this is heavy. Oh, wow. Yeah, so she doesn't even, apparently she doesn't even know that it's the middle of July. Whew, girls. So that was a newer frame at some point in time that they've literally completely stuffed. All right. I'm with you. All right, well, I'm not seeing any signs of swarming. Superseding, nothing crazy. Things are just, oh, look at that frame too. Whoo-wee. So this is what I was talking about. So this would be nice, right? So you take this frame, shake the bees off, put it into a colony that's catching up, not as big. And I've knocked these girls back a hair and I've boosted a weaker colony. So I think I've got two here that requeened. Come on, girls, move it in. So they've had a few weeks of no queens, so they could use a little bit of a help. Plus, like I said, I think I've gotten two splits off of this hive alone. I think last year I got 2 splits. So anyways, they're whoa, a couple supersede your cups, ladies. Seriously, this is like I said, this is another frame that I gave them in one of the splits, and they've worked one side pretty well, this one not so much. But I'm not really in a concern mode yet, because we still have the fall flow. Seems like we're getting August heat in July right now, and I don't know if that means anything, as in the goldenrod will be out earlier, the Japanese knotweed. All right, so this is pretty much a pollen frame. That's it. There's literally no nectar on this outer frame. So this is how good these girls bring it up. If you look at this frame, this is the outer edge, and I'll try to get the sun just right. But this is all pollen. These are completely empty where my thumb is here. Completely empty. And so, and for those of you who don't know, I do a 2-part video. There are 3 honey supers on this hive. So they don't need to be fed. But they do move it up. Everybody always asks how I get my bees to move it up. Well, they come out of winter, and she has free access to the deep and 1 medium, and that's how they come out of winter. And then when she starts laying in the deep, I put the queen excluder on, and then the rest, that's it. Let that hatch out, and it's all still 1. But anyways, thank you for watching.